head on my feet. I've been working all day at the Poisson Rouge, a little French cafe. The owner's a skinflint and money is tight. A share of the tips at the end of the night. You wear a little black dress and watch what you say. The customers expect you to parler français. Your Gallic temperament is what they adore. You slam down the food and they'll be begging for more. From Belarus, give 'em a big sharp knife and turn 'em loose. 'Cause crêpes Suzette is hard to get wrong. With a gingham tablecloth and a Jacques Brel song, you wear a little black dress. Watch what you say. The customers expect you to parler français. Your Gallic temperament is what they adore. You slam down the food and they'll be begging for more. I listen to Edith almost all of the time in my one-room flat with my bottle of wine.
This dance is called Café Tango FrançAis. It's a 32 counts, full-wall beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left. Back, rock, forward, hold. Rock, step back on right. Recover onto left. Step forward, right. Hold for 1 count. Step, pivot, half, turn right. Step forward, left. Pivot, half, turn right. Weight onto right foot facing 6. Left, forward, rock. Recover to right. Section 2, back, hook, forward, hold. Step back on left, hook right in front of left. Step forward, right, hold for 1 count. Forward, lock, steps, hold. Step forward, left, lock, step right behind. Step forward, left, hold for 1 count. Section 3, forward, recover, quarter right flick. Rock forward on right, recover to left. Make it quarter right turn, stepping right to right. Flick left. Left foot cross, side behind. Sweep right from front to back. Section 4, right foot behind, side cross. Point left to left side. Cross point forward rock. Cross left. Point right to right. Right foot, forward rock. Recover to left. Then we walk through the steps with counts. Weight is on the left foot. Back rock. 1, 2, forward, hold. 3, hold, 4. Step, pivot, half. 5, 6, forward rock. 7, 8. Section 2, back, hook. 1, 2, forward, 3, hold, 4. Lock, step forward. 5, 6, of wall 6. It's a 4 count tag. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 6 starts facing the 9 o'clock wall. And the wall 6 will be facing the back wall, the 6 o'clock wall, to do this 4 count tag. Right foot, rock back, recover to left. Rock forward, recover to left. So the count for this tag at the end of wall 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Restart the dance for wall 7, facing the 6 o'clock wall. Back, rock, 4. Toe, step, half for rock